What's up everybody, Dan here today, back with another GTA5 video. Today I'm going to be showcasing all the brand new cars released in the latest update. I'm Not a Hipster 1.14 patch, and in this video I'm going to be showcasing you the Declasse Rhapsody, or however it's pronounced. They always make car names retarded on GTA, but I think this car is based on the AMG Pacer in real life, so if you're not quite sure what car that is, just hop on Google Images, type in AMG Pacer, and I'm pretty sure the car is based on this one, so let's have a look. This car is based in the compacts category, and I cannot even drive into Los Santos Customs. Let's see what upgrades you can do on this car. Right, repair, brakes, right, you can add a custom front splitter, engine, right, exhaust, and you've got a little pencil exhaust at the minute. Let's have a look. You know, twin dual exit exhausts. Alright, it's on the side. Okay, I don't like it on the side. I think I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with the dual two exhausts right there. So you can go for flared arches, side flames. If you're gonna go for the side flames, you don't really want the arches as well. So I'm gonna just go with the side flames. Go faster hood. That's really gonna. Oh! You can add one of these on a compact car. Fair enough. Go with that one. Lights. Leave the plate. I think we'll go with a matte black look with the secondary colour. Oh, the secondary colour is the bomb bit, okay. To be honest, I'm just going to leave it black. Spoiler, another ducktail spoiler, to be honest. Oh, you know, I'll stick on there anyway. Doesn't look the greatest on the car, but, you know. Right, turbo, wheels. So this is a compact. I think I might go with some high-end wheels. I'll go with those. Right, custom tyres, bulletproof, black that, and then we'll go with the pure black window tint. So that is the customization options for this car, guys. Let's see if it's in pretty fast. Yep, this car is pretty fast, sounds alright as well. I don't think it'll drift because it's a compact car. Now let's just see if it's front wheel drive. Nope, rear wheel drive, okay. Right. Let's head up the road, and in this episode as well, instead of me getting into another video, I'm going to stick in the two new vehicles which are available. I think there's a pistol, I'm not quite sure, I can't remember. So let's have a look, browsing the weapons. Right, so you got a vintage pistol, you've got an antique dagger. Actually, yeah, you do get a pistol, but you don't get like. Right, so you get that, and you get the vintage pistol. So let's have a look what you can do. I'm gonna buy loads of rounds. Does the round ever end? I'm trying to max it out. You know, I'm just going to leave it as that. Right, we'll go to the extended clip. Actually, no, take the suppressor off. And we'll go with the gold tint. So that's pretty decent. Right, so let's back out. Run outside. Get my new Pimpmobile. Alright, we'll go with the vintage pistol. Sounds pretty decent. Let's get out. Aim at some people. Pretty powerful as well. Right, let's try the new antique knife. Right, let's go and stab some people. Chase them. Come back, lads. Come back, lads. Actually, you know what? You're just chilling in your car, right? Get out. Yeah, boy. Well, the new dagger works pretty well as well. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let's just do a little... No, he can't really teabag on GTA, but he's got a nice staying patch in his ass. Let's try out the new pistol on him again. Yep, definitely works. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. That'll be awesome. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.